What makes Crash Course Village unique to the other training classes out there?
What makes Crash Course Village unique, and the reasons firefighters should seek us out for their training, is the realistic patient-based scenarios taught by seasoned instructors. These guys are not people that read a cool article in fire engineering last night. These are street-level instructors that have got that had there, been there, done that mentality. And not only do they have that street-level experience, but they have the proper demeanor. We don't talk down to students. We offer very challenging scenarios that is within a learning environment and gives you the chance to apply your skills and see what works and sometimes see what doesn't work, so you can transfer that knowledge out to serve your community better.